Hi everyone, it's time for a little update on the shop. Are you ready for this? So firstly, we've changed. We are called the Create Space, and now we have set experiences that you can book. Much simpler, much easier than being overwhelmed by every single craft on the planet that I had squeezed into my shop. We also here have some clothing and bags, all with a crafty theme, lots of different crafty sayings, really cute. Then we have the shop. So in the shop is things that you can buy and take home, and things that you can buy and use to create in the shop. So we've got all sorts of things, from cups, glasses, mugs, hair grips. These are actual jewellery kits, all ready made up from Just Say Beads in Newquay. Then we've got ceramics, as you can see, all priced up. You can buy them to take home or buy them and use them in the shop with all of our tools and supplies. Then we've all got some of the bits that we still had from the Pick and Mix art craft, toppers and things like that are a little bit different from what you'd normally get, and you can buy them individually. So these are great for kids for pocket money days, or if you just want to come in and make up a set kit for yourself without having to buy big bags of multiple items and it ends up costing you a fortune. You just come in and you buy the individual things. This is like the natural area, so we've got wooden things, we've got some steampunk bits there, we've got wreaths, pencil cases, shells, all sorts. Lots of wooden words and sentiments and things that you can stick on frames and pretty them up a bit. Stones, pebbles, clay ones and natural ones. Then we've got some log slices. It's all the stuff that we already had, as you can see, fir cones, driftwood. There's colouring pages and there's colouring packs. So you can come in and if you want, just pick a few colouring pages that you fancy, or I can print some off if there's a particular theme in mind that you would like to have a go at. These are my crafty mugs, so if you've got somebody who's crafty, they're great presents. We've got diamond painting and bedazzling kits. I'm going to start making up more kits. Now we're going into the bedazzling area, so if you can buy some of the bedazzling bits, I've got to order some more gems, but there's a few there. They can be used in classes or you can buy them to take home. Then we're going into figurines. I am making my own now, and my own blanks that you can bedazzle or cream deco. This is cream deco. It's so much fun. You pipe it out and you put gems and things on. You'll see those in a minute. We're into jewellery making. This is great for the beading experience. We've got all sorts, from seed beads, clay beads, to all sorts of different ones. We've got silver charms, glass beads, wooden beads, lots to choose from. And to be honest, that's part of the experience, is having a good old rummage and picking them out. Today we had someone come in and they were just loving every minute of it, just picking all the different bits as they wanted. I think it's something that I remember as a child. There was more of this in toy shops and things. I think for me it was picking out marbles. And I don't know if you guys are from Newquay, will you remember 2Ds if you're my age? 2Ds, the toy shop. Anyway, carrying on. Look at all these gorgeous beads. Love. Lots more beads to come in time. And then we're going on into the charm section. They're like flat back charms. These are really good for, these are still beads. The cream glue, you can put beads in the cream glue as well. That's absolutely fine. These are the flat back charms. They're really gorgeous. Lots of chunky ones, lots of little ones. I'll take you through each tray of them. But you can come in and just buy them individually instead of having to buy whole packs, which works out better for you, so you can create your own kit for exactly what you want to do. These are fast becoming a favourite for all kinds of projects, not just the cream glue. Look at those mini ice creams, they're so cute. We've got all the normal things as well, like the funny eyes, bees, ladybirds, gems, and then going down to the bottom we've got lots of little mini ones. We've got the mini shells. There's a tiny bunch in there, all mixed up. Look at those fruit slices. I think they're brilliant. And then we've got some emojis, some butterflies, all sorts. Steampunk in there as well. Then on the other side is things that you can do actually once you're in. So this side is just the tools and supplies area, and that was some bedazzling or diamond painting. It's the same thing really, that you can do in classes. These are all the molds for resin. So if you wanted to come in and do resin, there are so many different things you could choose, lots of sparkly bits to put in them, and of course you can add some of the charms I've just shown you. This is the painting and drawing experience. So if you come in, there's so much to choose from and to try, and I'm here to help you if you want to try something new. And then as we spin round, you see the view from where I sit at the back of the shop. It looks so much more welcoming now, so much more spacious. Can't wait to see you.